Hello dear guests, today we are opening the box with the microwave monostatic sensor FM. You can see the box here on our table. Look on it from every side. Here it is, and we open it. What do we have inside? We have a USB cable, USB-A, USB-B. We have the corrugated tube and the cable gland. Two brackets, a spanner, two self-driving screws. We have the user manual and the passport on the device, and the sensor itself, the transceiver. And one important thing, the protective visor, which is put on the sensor. So, as you see, we have everything that we need to locate the sensor in field inside the box. For all necessary information on Forteza sensors, kindly refer to your sales assistant managers.